Hello friends, welcome to Neon Forge. In this video, we shall see some of the most prestigious universities in the world. To watch more similar topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. Come, let us enter into the academic world. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. MIT is a university based in the city of Cambridge, Massachusetts, dedicated to the teaching of science and technology. The sheer number of Nobel laureates affiliated with the institution, an impressive 95, reveals the caliber of MIT graduates. Scientific discoveries and technological advances to come out of the college include the first chemical synthesis of penicillin, the development of radar, the discovery of quarks, and the invention of magnetic core memory, which aided the development of digital computers. List of alumni include former Secretary General of the United Nations Kofi Annan, Prime Minister of Israel Benjamin Netanyahu, 23rd Governor of Reserve Bank of India Raghuram Rajan, among many others. The second is the Stanford University. When Stanford University was opened in 1891, it was a co-educational institution which was unheard of at a time when most universities were all-male affairs. The large campus is home to 97% of undergraduates and nearly 700 university buildings alongside museums, gardens and recreational centers. There are just under 7,000 undergraduates and 9,000 postgraduates at a university with a 7:4 student to staff ratio. Research at Stanford has a $1.2 billion budget and more than 5,000 of the projects are externally funded. The research-intensive university has the largest number of Turing Award recipients for a single institution, which is 28, as well as 34 Nobel laureates, 19 among the current community of scholars, and 4 Pulitzer Prize winners. In addition, Stanford University has produced 74 billionaires and 17 astronauts. High-profile business-minded alumni of the university include Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Yahoo co-founders David Filo and Jerry Yang, Hewlett-Packard co-founders William Hewlett and David Packard, Instagram co-founders Mike Krieger and Kevin Systrom, Netflix co-founder and CEO Reed Hastings, not to mention Gap co-founder Doris Fisher and Nike co-founder and chairman Phil Knight. Other prominent graduates include the USA's first woman in space Sally Ride, the first female Space Shuttle Commander Eileen Collins, and famed geologist Thomas Dibble. Now next comes the Harvard University. Harvard University was established in Cambridge, Massachusetts in 1636. It is the oldest higher education institution in the US. It is considered one of the most prestigious universities in the world and has topped the World Reputation rankings since 2011. The institution has been affiliated with 161 Nobel laureates, 32 heads of state, 50 Pulitzer Prize winners, and many other academic accolades and prizes. The Central Library is one of the largest academic libraries in the world with 18.9 million volumes, while America's oldest collection of maps and atlases is stored in the Pusey Library. Two of the most prominent people to have attended but then left the school are Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and Facebook chairman and CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg famously launched the now ubiquitous social networking site from his Harvard dorm room. Next comes the California Institute of Technology, Caltech. One of the most striking features of Caltech is its small size. Only about 1,000 undergraduates and 1,250 postgraduates are enrolled there. The college boasts the high student-to-staff ratio. Caltech aims to foster an interdisciplinary environment in which students learn about and tackle the most challenging and fundamental scientific or technological problems. The institution was founded as Thorpe University in 1891. It assumes its current name in 1920. More than half of Caltech students receive need-based financial support. The average financial aid package is around $38,000. Caltech's mascot is a beaver, which is the nature's engineer. Among the unusual features of the institution are the customary cookie break taken every Thursday by physicists and their students, and the university's status as a distributor of olive oil. Famous graduates include astronauts Harrison Schmitt, Gordon Fullerton, and Frank Borman, Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, and prominent AIDS researcher and Times 1996 Man of the Year David Ho. Next is the University of Oxford. The University of Oxford is the UK's oldest university and one of the best known in the world. There are more than 20,000 students at Oxford, with a roughly equal number of undergraduates and postgraduates. About 95% of these graduates are employed or in postgraduate study within 6 months of completing their studies. Admission is extremely competitive. On an average, the university receives 5 applications for every place. The university employs staff from just under 100 countries, and foreign citizens make up about 40% of the student and academic body. Some of the school's more profile former students have been current British Prime Minister David Cameron, former British Prime Ministers Tony Blair and Margaret Thatcher, former US President Bill Clinton, acclaimed physicist Stephen Hawking, inventor of the Internet Tim Berners-Lee, astronomer Edwin Hubble, and writers Aldous Huxley, Theodore Dr. Sayers Giesel, and J.R.R. Tolkien, the latter of whom also taught at the school for over 3 decades, among many others. Next comes the University of Cambridge. Founded in 1209, the University of Cambridge is a collegiate public research institution. Its 800-year history makes it 4th oldest surviving university in the world and the 2nd oldest university in the English-speaking world. Cambridge serves more than 18,000 students from all cultures and corners of the world. Nearly 4,000 of its students are international and hail from over 120 different countries. The university is split into 31 autonomous colleges where students receive small group teaching sessions known as college supervisions. 6 schools are spread across the university's colleges, housing roughly 150 faculties and other institutions. The 6 schools are Arts and Humanities, Biological Sciences, Clinical Medicine, Humanities and Social Science, Physical Science and Technology. The campus is located in the center of the city of Cambridge, with its numerous listed buildings and many of the older colleges situated on or near the River Cam. In total, 92 affiliates of the university have been awarded Nobel Prizes covering every category. Cambridge has long since held a reputation for groundbreaking scientific achievement thanks to hugely influential historic alumni like Francis Bacon, Isaac Newton, Henry Cavendish, and Charles Darwin. Yet the university also has a strong literary tradition with former students including John Milton and Lord Byron, as well as more recent names such as Salman Rushdie. Philosopher Bertrand Russell and economist John Maynard Keynes are 2 highly significant 20th century figures to have both graduated from and taught at the institution. Next is the University of California, Berkeley. Founded in 1868, the University of California, Berkeley, a public research university and regarded as one of the best state universities in the US. It's located in San Francisco Bay Area and the campus size spread to a sprawling 1,232 acres. The university follows a semester-based academic calendar. All 9 research universities include undergraduate programs. It is home to 2 most eminent research institutes that are Mathematical Sciences Research Institute and Space Sciences Laboratory. The researchers of the university discovered 16 chemical elements of the periodic table. Berkeley is also one of the 14 founding members of the prestigious Association of American Universities. The students have the opportunity to choose among 160 undergraduate programs and more than 350 degree programs. In addition, the university offers doctoral undergraduate programs. Economics, cellular biology, and computer science are some of the popular major programs offered by the university. Present faculty involves 4 Pulitzer Award winners, 8 Nobel Prize Award winners. Berkeley alumni, faculty members, and researchers included 107 Nobel laureates, 25 Turing Award winners, and 14 field medalists. They have also won 20 Academy Awards, 20 Pulitzer Prizes, and 207 Olympic medals and 45 MacArthur Fellowships. During the 2012 London Olympics, its graduates have won a total of 17 medals, including 11 gold, 1 silver, and 5 bronze. This also proves Berkeley's dominance in the sporting arena. University of California, Berkeley has a notable list of alumni that includes Jack London, novelist and journalist; Gregory Peck, Oscar-winning actor; Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, former Prime Minister and President of Pakistan; and Joan Didion, author. Alex Morgan, Women's World Cup winner in football. Notable graduates also include Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, MySpace co-founder Tom Anderson, computer mouse inventor Douglas Engelbart, who also taught at the school after finishing his PhD, and Nobel Prize winners Willis Lamb in physics, Thomas Schelling in economics, and Hamilton Smith in medicine. Now next comes the ETH Zurich, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. ETH Zurich is one of the world's leading universities in science and technology and is known for its cutting-edge research and innovation. It was established in 1855 as the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School, and a century and a half later, the university can count 21 Nobel laureates, 2 Fields medalists, 2 Pulitzer Prize winners, and 1 Turing Award winner as alumni, including the great Albert Einstein himself. The university, referred to in English as the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Zurich, has 16 departments that offer academic education and conduct scientific research in subjects ranging from engineering and architecture to chemistry and physics. Education at ETH Zurich combines solid theory with practical application, and most degree programs build on strong mathematical foundations. Next comes the Imperial College London. Imperial College London is one-of-a-kind institution in the UK focusing solely on science, engineering, medicine, and business. Imperial offers an education that is research-led, exposing you to real-world challenges with no easy answers, teaching that opens everything up to question and opportunities to work across multicultural, multinational teams. Imperial is based in South Kensington in London in an area known as Albertopolis. Prince Albert and Sir Henry Cole's 19th century vision for an area where science and the arts would come together. As a result, Imperial's neighbors include a number of world-leading cultural organizations, including the Science, Natural History, and Victoria and Albert Museums, the Royal Colleges of Art and Music, the English National Ballet, and the Royal Albert Hall, where all of their students also graduate. The number of award winners, Nobel Prize holders, and prestigious fellowships among their staff is a testament to the outstanding contributions they have made in their respective fields. Now comes the University of Chicago. Established in 1856, University of Chicago is a private research university based in the urban center of Chicago, the third most populous city in the United States. Outside of the Ivy League, Chicago is one of America's top universities and holds top 10 positions in various national and international rankings. Beyond the arts and sciences, Chicago has a glowing reputation for its professional schools, including the Pritzker School of Medicine, the Booth School of Business, and the Harris School of Public Policy Studies. University of Chicago alumni are responsible for the development of many academic disciplines such as sociology, economics, law, and literary criticism. The college's crest sees a phoenix rising from the ashes, a reference to the fire, foreclosure, and demolition of the old University of Chicago campus with the current University of Chicago emerging triumphantly in its place in 1890. The university is home to the longest continuously running student film society, Dog Films, and publishes several newspapers and magazines. Budding thespians can join renowned improvisational theatre troupe off campus or learn how to broadcast at the university-owned radio station. Notable faculty members, past and present, include 29 Nobel laureates and former US President Barack Obama. Illustrious alumni come in practically every field, including the novelist Philip Roth and Saul Bellow, political movers and shakers such as pollster Nate Silver and Obama strategist David Axelrod, pioneering balloonist Jeanette Piccard, and the fictional archaeologist Indiana Jones. It is indeed a pleasure and honor to pursue higher education or research or other academic studies in such prestigious institutions. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another interesting one. Bye.